All right. I am gonna go to a car wash first time. See how it goes.
How you doing, sir?
I should have an account.
You should?
I don't know why I just added the license plate like yesterday. Yeah, well, different car. I took off the old car. I added this car on through the app.
Mm-hmm.
Is it just not reading the number?
You say A or 8?
8145. This type of license plate just have an S over a bunch of numbers.
8145, you said? Awesome. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You have a blessing.
You too. Okay, so I enabled the car wash mode, and then I enabled the pre-roll. So far so good. I'm curious if it's gonna get into the front and like the charge port. Because this is the standard and the front is not waterproof. Also curious if there's going to be any scratches. Brushes seem pretty rough. It folded my mirror. So the car wash mode, it does locks the doors, turns off the wipers. Basically like, so your car doesn't freak out. goodness. What was it doing? I don't know what that was. That was scary. This place is packed. There's only one way. See if I can get in. That, I don't know what that was. That was bad. It's too busy here. There's no place to. In the car. Wow. Yeah, it's very busy here. See how I can get. How can I get to the other side? That's what I want to know. Looks like there's a spot that just opened up. I go there. Yeah, I'm gonna go try to get something like that one. Okay, this one seems pretty good. Okay. There's a little bit of soap in here, but it looks fine. Wow. Looks like some water got in, but not much. Car looks good.